Sentences with in case of, in case, in the case of, and just in case. In case of. In case of is a preposition we use with a noun to mean if or when something happens. Call me in case of any emergency.
In case of fire, don't use the lift.
In case of rain, you should use an umbrella.
In case, meaning we do something to prevent a problem.
I'll draw a map for you in case you don't find our house.
I don't want to go out in case he calls.
I always keep medicine at home in case I get sick. In the case of, meaning in the matter of, regarding, in that instance. In the case of that criminal, we should be strict.
In the case of this man, we will not grant permission.
In the case of that boy, nobody stood by him. Just in case, meaning we do something to prevent a problem.
I leave home early every day, just in case there is traffic.
I'll bring my umbrella just in case it rains.
You'll write down the address just in case you forget. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.